I got a new hot tent. Good morning, everybody. We made it. The last night was awesome. I spent the night in a snowstorm last night in this hot tent. This was my first night in this hot tent. What a way to break her in. This is what I'm using tonight. I've never set this up before. Just got this in the mail a few weeks ago, and this is my first time using it. I haven't even done a practice pitch yet. So we've got about 4 to 5 inches of fresh snow and some ice, and it's supposed to get really icy and pretty gnarly all the way through until the morning. So here we go. Hot tents are cool. I did splurge, and I purchased the adjustable dedicated center pole. It can adjust on the bottom and on the top. All right, let's take a look inside. It's pretty awesome. It's way bigger than my homemade hot tent, that's for sure. And that's nice. I ordered the 1.5 person winter inner for this tent. I don't know if I'm going to use it tonight, but I'm going to set it up just to get the hang of it. See what it's all about and show you guys. Here's the corner of the inner. And that grabs just like that. How awesome is that? Gotta tell you, there's quite a bit of room in here. toasted to perfection. This is really good. Well guys, this has been pretty awesome. It's been freezing rain, sleet, snowing the whole time. Nice and cozy and warm in here though. This stove is throwing off some heat. I like this tent. I'm gonna crawl into my sleeping bag, listen to the weather, smash in the tent, and watch this wood stove. So, thanks for watching guys. Have a good night. I'll see you in the morning. From where I'm laying down, this is my view. Have a good night, guys. Good morning, everybody. We made it. These guys make a good tent. Okay, everybody, I'm all packed up, ready to go. That was a good night out in the woods. Yeah, those conditions were awesome. I love camping in storms, so this was a lot of fun, and it was a really good first night out in my Luxe Minipeak XL Hot tent. The thing was awesome. It was a super comfortable night. I'm gonna go home, be with my family. Have a happy and safe New Year to everybody. So, Happy New Year's. I'll see you on my next adventure next year. It's been a wild year, so thank you for all the support, and I hope everybody has a happy and safe New Year. See you next year, guys. Go outside, do something cool. It's good in the woods.